Hello guys, and welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. In this video guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a fluffy, delicious and flavorful pancake. So stay tuned so that you get to see how I will be making my pancake. And of course, I have the ingredients that I will be using. I have 1 cup of wheat flour, I have salt, I have baking powder, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, I have sugar, and you can use vanilla essence. In my case, I didn't have my vanilla. So stay tuned guys so that you get to see the step by step of how I will be making my pancakes. And in case you are new here guys, welcome. This video is for you, and let's get started. Hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and kindly subscribe, watch and share. Let's get started guys.